look at how to fund your contract trading accounts on Phemex. So first, you're going to go to femex.com, and then you're going to click up on Assets in the right-hand corner. Click on Total Assets, and then click on Contract Account. Then you'll see your BTC Trade Account and your USD Trade Account. So today, let's go to BTC and click Transfer In. And then from there, you'll see the from and to. Then you can add the amount or click on all, and then click confirm. And there you go. You've transferred into your BTC trading account. Alright, let's look at how to fund your USD trading account. So first, make sure you go to femex.com. Then you can click up on Assets in the upper right hand corner. And then from there, you can click on Contract Account, and you'll see your BTC and USD trade account. So today we'll do USD, transfer in, and then you can select your BTC wallet or USDT. So let's do USDT, and then you can set the amount or just select all. And then you need to click Get Quotation. Here you'll see how much you send, how much you get. Then you can click Confirm. And there you go. You've transferred into your USD trading account.